Pushpa from Sikkim. I love scouting. It is wonderful participating in this 12 Boskori. I want to heal the world by helping the poor people.
Hi, I am Dipesh Dorji from Sikkim. I love scouting. I want to heal the world by being friendly to animals.
Hi, I am Mal Pudong Lepcha. I am from Sikkim. I love scouting. It's wonderful time participating in the 12th Boskori. I want to heal the world by helping the poor people.
Hi, I'm Angelin Philo from Chennai. I'm here very proud to attend this 12th Boskori. So I want to heal this world by serving people. So at last, I love to be a ranger here. I like to do service. For this service, I'm here in 12th Boskori.
Hi, I'm Fury from Karbi Anglong. I love scouting. It's wonderful to participate in this 12 Boskori. I want to heal the world by helping others.
Hi, my name is Bhargav. I mini Boskori aisu. I 12 Boskori participate koribole aisu. Moi scouting bhal lage.
Hi, I am Prasan Shia. I'm coming from Chennai. I really very proud to the participant of this 12th Boskori. Really, and thank to my sister and fathers. It's a very amazing participant. I really love this. I want to heal the world for service.
Hi, my name is Ronaldo Kheketari. 12 Boskori aisu. Moi Asamot thaku.
Hi, I am Venkat from DBOC Broadway at Chennai. I love scouting very much. I like to participate in this 12th National Boskori. I want to heal the world by helping others.
Hi, I'm Reena from St. Francis Xavier Anglo-Indian High Secondary School. I love guiding. It's wonderful to participate in the 12th Boskori, and we are here to heal the world by love and forgiveness.
Hi, my name is Ranjit. I'm coming from Don Bosco Center Broadway. I love scouting. It's wonderful participation in 12th National Boskori in Tanjavur. I want to heal the world by helping the poor in need.
Hi, my name is Gyagi Kattu. I'm representing Don Bosco School, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. I'm happy to be a guide. I'm happy to participate in the 12th Boskori. I'm happy to heal the world by loving nature. Thank you.
I'm Lingesh and I'm coming from Don Bosco Center Broadway. I love scouting very much. It was participating wonderful.
Hello, it's me, Barkha Barwa, representing Holy Child Company from Guwahati, obviously from Narangi, my cute place. First, before coming to this place, I was thinking like, how would be the trip? Like after coming, I met new friends, new relationships, and like yeah, there was many fights and all. I miss my mom, my dad, cause my birthday is on 2nd January and have to spend my entire New Year starting from this school, like Chennai. And when I was told by my guide captain that do you want to come to this camp, I was like, no, why should I go to such a camp because New Year is here. Like after coming there, I saw so many people, like so many teenagers like me who are really struggling hard to come here. And like after coming here, I seriously feel proud to come and attend such an international camp like Chennai. And I want to heal the world by saying that if united we stand, divided we fall. So we should be united.
Hi, I am Balaji from Don Bosco Broadway, Chennai. I love scouting. It's wonderful participating in this 12th Boskori in Tanjore. I want to heal the world by loves nature.
Hi, I'm Preeti of St. Francis Xavier's Broadway, Chennai. I love scouting and guiding very much. It's wonderful in participating in this 12th Boskori. I want to heal the world by loving and forgiving others. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kavita from St. Francis Xavier's Anglo-Indian High Secondary School, Broadway, Chennai. I love guiding and it is wonderful participating in this 12th Boskori. I want to heal this world by love and forgiveness. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. I'm Takam Pichi from Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. I'm here representing on behalf of my guides troops. So I'm very happy to participate in this 12th program Boskori, and it was very nice, and by seeing varieties of people and meeting varieties of friends, it was fantastic for me. And I want to heal the world by serving the poor people and helping the poor people, those who are needs, those who are lying on the roadside like beggars, those who don't have a food. I want to heal them by serving, by doing some act of charity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhilasha Hazarika. I'm from Guwahati, Assam. This is my second Boskori camp, and I think this will be very special as the topic is Heal the World, for which I think we need to empower women to heal the world, love nature and empower women and take our children to schools, for which we need to develop a better society.
Hi, this is Nalini Jamar from Guwahati, Assam. I love guiding and I love the environment over here, and I'm glad to be a part of the annual 2014 Boscori.
Hi, I'm Shivika Hogoi and I'm from Guwahati, Assam. I love guiding and I'm very glad that I joined this Boscori camp of 2014. And this year, as we all took the theme of healing the world, so I would like to heal the world by loving others.